In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a divider to a note in Evernote. Dividers are a simple but powerful way to keep your notes clean and organized. They add a visual break between sections, making it much easier to scan long notes and quickly find the information you need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a divider using Evernote's built-in / command, and I'll give you a few tips on how to use them effectively as you go. First, open Evernote and navigate to the note where you want to add a divider. This can be an existing note that's starting to feel cluttered, or a brand new note you've just created. Make sure the note is open in the editor so you can type inside it. Click anywhere in the note where you want the divider to appear. A good rule of thumb is to place the divider on a new line, underneath the section you've just finished, so it clearly separates one idea or topic from the next. With your cursor positioned on that new line, type the command /divider. To do this, simply press the / key on your keyboard, followed by the word divider, all as one term. As you start typing the / command, Evernote will usually show a small menu of options that match what you're typing. This menu helps you quickly insert different elements without digging through toolbars. Once you see the divider option appear in that menu, move your mouse to it and click on divider. As soon as you do, Evernote will insert a horizontal line right where your cursor was. That line is your divider. You'll notice it stretches across the width of the note, creating a clear visual separation between the content above and the content below. From here, you can continue typing your next section directly under the divider. If you're organizing a meeting note, for example, you might use one divider between the agenda and the discussion, and another divider between the discussion and your action items. You can repeat this process as many times as you like within the same note. Place your cursor on a new line, type /divider, click on divider, and keep writing. That's all there is to it. By using this quick / command to insert dividers, you can keep your Evernote notes structured, readable, and much easier to revisit later.